that old storm, I think, is dying. How is this happening? Do I have to spot it myself? But dude, there's a lot of hill that way. How is this even possible? I need to switch my skin back too. It's gone down like 2 miles an hour. There's high rotation too. Look at my FPS up. Yeah, it's a tiny bit better. It's starting to come over me. I'm probably going to be able to experience hail. But look at that. It's all coming towards me. Oh yeah. I'm in collision course with the hail. I think I'm already under the thing. Yeah, I'm already in the hail core. There's just no hail. A new one's forming that way. Oh, finally a new one forms. Should I live stream one day? Maybe I should. It's what the viewers want is what they get. Where is Big Doodles am I? Well, yeah, I have extra items for that one. I was writing, but alright. There's a lot of rotation. You know there's a tornado when there's like a random big spot with no rain? Which hasn't happened yet. But I think it will. But it's a pretty nice wall. I'll go to bed. I think it's a thunderstorm. I think it's a thunderstorm, alright? There's a tornado, possibly. Right there. There we go. WW. I think one's gonna drop. Oh yeah! Extra high hopes! So that's where I am. And it's like growing the tail. Does G make it so that it can't spawn or something? Look, there's two! There's one over there. Are you here? I hear hail. I hear hail. Yeah. Yeah, there's two, but they're going that way. Yeah, so apparently black is like rotation. Yeah, it's a lot of hail. No tornadoes. What the heck? I cannot see. Oh, something big is forming. Is there a hurricane? Guys, I think I was just in a hurricane. Yeah, that was definitely a hurricane. That was a hurricane. I think I might take shelter. I'll shelter. I think did they just merge? I think the squall's still there. Yeah, they're merging. I think I survived. Why are they not spawning? If I do like slash clear storm and everything just disappears on this radar, I'm gonna be mad. Either 1 mile per hour is 0. it's all gone. How long is this gonna take? I need to turn this, like, chances up. I got a win with 4 mile per hour winds. It looks like it would be freaking. Bro, why is like it just randomly picked up? Oh my goodness. There's a lot of stuff coming toward me and going away. Oh, look at that! I didn't see it. I saw it form on radar. I thought it was just something else. Nope. It's a cyclone. And there's 2 forming. Or just has a tail. And they're coming straight toward me. Who thinks there's gonna be tornado? I do. It's been 29 minutes. Almost 30 minutes of recording and one hasn't spawned. How do you find that? I should have spawned in a freaking savannah or something, bro. I just did a command to send them all towards me. Maybe that'll help. Because it has rotation. School. I really go to school. Someone turn English on. Let me check my chances. Permanently. What I config, change on. Go there. Pretty big. Oh, look, there's two. Okay, maybe there is two. Maybe there is two anyone. It's starting to turn night already. Ooh, I can't see anymore. Oh, it's right that way. Holy crap. Oh, Charlie, God. It's a rotation. If there were be wanting to spawn, it would be probably big or small. I don't know. If one does spawn, I will go in there, hook it down, and if it gets any closer, I will get in. So I might as well just do it now. Because lure it when you still can. I'm gonna change like the max storm, so if like a different storm spawns in the server, max storms 10, snow accumulation. There's 3. much storms here. This is a freaking snowy biome. Oh, I just watched 2 of them spawn. There's 1 and 2. This is insane. The fact that it produces 2 is insane. The Dirt Wall of Championship. But why is there like no tornadoes? Oh, wait, there's one right there! There's one right there! Yo! There's one right there! There's one right there! Tornado! Tornado, tornado, tornado! What up the tornado? What the tornado? That thing's moving fast! Holy crap! Oh! It's a tornado! It's a tornado! Yeah. But it's a tornado! That thing looks big. Oh, there goes the siren. And that's possibly like leaf 1 or 2. I think it's a leaf 0. Hasn't even dropped down yet. Cause it's, yeah, it's a leaf 1. So you have 0. It's kind of close. Let's quick right over us! Oh! It's right there! Oh, kill it! Oh, look what it did to the dirt. $36 miles an hour. Dude, that looks insane. Tornado outbreak. Wow. It took like an hour just to find the tornado. It's beautiful. that tornado is insane. 26 miles an hour though. Well, I think that's gonna end it for today. We caught a tornado, which is what I was planning for, and peace.